to say that we have released e-invoicing portal on einvoice1.gst.gov.in. To begin with, you can see there are a lot of help materials that are available, be it user manuals, computer-based tutorials, FAQs. So these, and also as soon as you open this, you can see a brief note on e-invoice and sandbox tool. So I request all the taxpayers to see first these documents so that it will give you a complete understanding of the e-invoicing system, the concepts, and who can access this e-invoicing system, what are the procedures, etc. We also have a note on the API sandbox tool. This is for all the taxpayers who are integrating through their systems. They can understand how to use this sandbox tool. And there are also some materials available like the master codes and what are the different APIs, etc. So the taxpayers will get a good understanding, and they will also understand how to send their request in the sandbox tool and how to test this. So this is on the documents. Then we have here the bulk generation tools which are available for the taxpayers to readily download these tools. These are Excel tools by which he can download, and he can prepare his invoices in this Excel tool and generate the JSON. So also we have under the search facilities, we have an option to know whether the taxpayer is eligible for e-invoicing. We also have an option called verify signed invoice to know how you can verify the signed invoices that has been generated on the IRP portal. So that these are the computer-based tutorials we have for the introduction on e-invoicing system. We also have a walkthrough through the bulk tools, then API integration, onboarding, sandbox, etc. These are all the frequently asked questions that have been published on the website, so the taxpayers can get most of their queries answered through this. This is the bulk IRN generation tools which I was explaining. Here we have 4 tools, that is format A, B, C, D, in which in the format A, this is a simple tool wherein all the invoice details like the document details and the item details can be entered in one sheet and a JSON may be prepared. Format B is having 2 sheets wherein the document details are entered in one and the item details are entered in the other sheet. So these 2 categories are given so that this meets your business requirements and you can use the simplest tool among the 2. The third tool is if you have the export payment reference details, you can enter in all the multiple sheets and prepare the JSON. The fourth is the format T, wherein all the details are captured into one particular sheet. This is very exhaustive kind of thing where everything has to be entered in one sheet. So this goes on your business requirements as to which one you can download and which you can download and use it in your system. So the bulk generation tool is complete in itself. It has different sections like what are the attributes, what is the schema defined in this, and what are the master codes being used. And also you have what are the validations incorporated in the Excel tool, then what are the calculations being performed. So this is complete by itself. If you want, you can download these tools, or if you're in your IRP system, you can follow the steps followed in this generation method done in this and generate your own JSON and upload into the IRP system. So here we have, you can see the seller details are entered in this tool, in the tool as a one-time measure. And there is also kind of customization being done so that if the business requirements do not have columns like reverse charges or e-commerce GSTM, then other attributes, optional attributes which we have mentioned, you can disable those things and make the tool simple so that you can use it readily. So this in this tool you can see there is a data being entered in under all the columns. There is a validate button which the tool will validate for all the conditions or the validations, and if there is any error it will highlight in the tool itself. The user can again correct and validate the tool. On successful validation, you can click on the prepare JSON. So this will generate a JSON file. Here you can see multiple invoices have been entered and a single JSON file has been created with all the details.